Snapchat protects user privacy by not showing full friend list. However, you can still see mutual friends using these official methods. First, you can go ahead and check your friend's profile. This is the easiest way to see if you have friends in common. So open Snapchat, search for a person's username, and then tap on their profile. And if you see a message like 3 plus mutual friends or 5 mutual friends, you share friends. Snapchat does not show the names of these friends to protect their privacy. And you can also use the quick add option. You can also use your quick add. Quick add suggests people you might know based on their shared connections, and here's how to do that. Open Add Friends option. For that, go to your profile, scroll down, and tap on Add Friends. If someone appears with a note like because you have mutual friends, it means that you have friends in common. Also, view public stories and profiles. Some users may have public profiles or post public stories. By looking at who interacts with their public content, like frequent commenters, you might spot mutual friends as well. So, this lets you understand their social circle without seeing private information. Remember that Snapchat does not allow you to see full friends list. This can be risky. So, using Snapchat official features keeps your account safe and respect other people's privacy. So, that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.